Hi guys, today we talk about Samsung Galaxy M55. It's launched on March 2024. The body dimensions of this mobile it's come with 6.45 inches height, width 3.01 inches, thickness 7.8 mm. The weight is 180 gram. The build, front and back glass and aluminium frame. The display of Samsung Galaxy M55 it's come with Super AMOLED Plus screen type and the screen size is 6.7 inches with 86.4% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1080p and the refresh rate is 120Hz with 1000 nits peak of brightness, and it has Gorilla Glass protection. The platform of this mobile it comes with Android 14 and the chipset is Snapdragon 7 Gen 1. The octa-core CPU Cortex-A710, the GPU is Adreno 7644 and the memory is 8 plus 12 gigs of RAM and 128 and 256 gigs of ROM, and it supports micro SD card. Let's talk about the camera of this mobile. It comes with triple camera setup, 50 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel micro with 4K 30fps video record. And the selfie camera is 15 megapixel. The battery of this mobile it has 5000 mAh battery and 45 watt wired charging, no wireless and reverse charging support. The common and the feature it has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, stereo speaker, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, NFS, UFS 3.1 and IP67 water dust resist. And the price of Samsung Galaxy M55 is $350.